Did you know that when you directly integrate with an ERP, your supplier could potentially see all of your order data, including historical orders? That's where DSers comes in to help protect your data. With our advanced data isolation technology, you can trust that your order data is safe and accessible only to the right supplier. Here's how it works. DSers acts as the secure data center between your Shopify store and your supplier's ERP system. When an order comes in, only orders that match your established mapping relationships will be pushed to the supplier's ERP system. This ensures that historical orders and other sensitive data are not synchronized with your suppliers, maintaining the security of your data. But what if you're dealing with multiple suppliers, each with their own ERP system? Don't worry. DSers makes it easy to manage them all. Just create profiles for each supplier and map them to your products. Our order synchronization system will make sure that every order goes to the correct supplier's ERP, while keeping your data separate. As a result, each supplier will only be able to access orders containing the products mapped to their profile and specifically placed for them. So why leave your order data security to chance? Try DSers Agency Management Solution today and rest easy knowing your data is in good hands.